يبتغون من فضل الله وآخرون يقاتلون في سبيل الله فاقرؤوا ما تيسر منه وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله هو خيرا وأعظم أجرا
واستغفر الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another live stream. I am your host, Muhammad Amir Salman, or the Emir of XAUUSD. Today we'll be doing a backtesting of gold from 5th of May to today. So basically, the last week. Last week went extremely good for me as I was doing pretty well, as I was following my rules and everything. I did pass my challenge last week. So let's see how I trade the last week in the hindsight. So looking at the weekly time frame, what can I get? وآدم أجرا واستغفر الله إن الله غفور رحيم. Okay, let's log all these. And do we have any more? Why to leave all these? Unchi, unchi. Let us look at the credibility of my key levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2. Yeah, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे. Still okay. Yeah, okay. Not okay. Not okay. Extremely not okay. Khair. So now we are here. New weekly time frame. New daily. Looking at the daily, what can we see? We are bearish. On the daily time frame, we are bearish. With my bearish targets being, with my bearish lows being over here. अरे आ जाइए ना. And where is the level? खैर इतने बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे हम लोग ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स नहीं लेंगे. Yeah, let us see if there are any imbalances left on the left. Imbalance. We got an imbalance over here. And what else do we have? Let us make an order block. Yeah, I wish I can buy. This is the order block we are going to trade in. We got an imbalance or an inducement. And looking at the Harley structure, we got this as an OB, this as in this as the accumulation low, this as the accumulation high. Accumulation high, accumulation low. So these are the two areas that we will be looking to sell, and the third being the breakout cells. Exactly. Is there anything else that I am looking for right now? Answer is no. So what will I do this NY session? Answer is yeah. And one more thing, the price gap between these two is 50 pips. So 50 pips के अंदर I might see this level as a resistance or the medium MTFOB, which might work. MTFO, LTFO, LTFOB. So इसके अंदर आया दिस रेजिस्टेंस. लेट्स सी इसके अंदर आया तो हम लोग को ट्रेड मिलता क्या. Resistance playing out, resistance tap. 1 minute, 6:30, market open. Oh, pushed in pretty hard. Well, very good. I'll wait for a snapback, else nothing. Yep, nothing it is. Hmm. India Open. I mean, Indian Open. Indian Open is very big open. Chinese Open is 7:30. Indian Open is 9 o'clock. See small candles. Stop. Now this range itself is 70 pips. This range itself is 70 pips. And so I have to modify it and shorten it. Now let's see how to shorten this in order to get a perfect trade. This is above. Now this is a 40 pips. Yeah, even now it's good. Yep. Now we got a complete breakdown. Stop. On back onto the 1 minute time frame. I should see a break below 1550. Yes. New 30 minute. If we consider this as the breakout, as the breakdown, we are getting a strong rejections, but there is always a but. I don't know whose but there is always a but. We are in this low time frame structure. We might get a pullback, a harsh pullback, liquidity sweep. See, exactly. This is what I expected. चलो जाने दो. New hourly candle. अरे हट जा भाई. This is our accumulation low. Oh, we got a tap. No, not yet. Oh, we got a double top. We missed a double top with the London high. अगर मैं ले भी लेता ना, my stop loss would have been too high, way too high. Just look at the stop loss. 100 pips, not interested. Now I got two market plans. One is break below this area. Two is sells from this area. Look, I will mark out a sell from this area. Now itself. Stop. Can this area be a good area to sell? Answer is with the stops in this area of 650 pips and targeting back to the lows. Okay, we are in. Should have waited for 12:30. Now we got a tap. We are not out. Stop, stop, stop. अगर मैं वहां पर नहीं लेता, अगर मैं वहां पर ट्रेड नहीं लेता तो स्टॉप। अरे यार आमिर, these are the equal highs. These are the equal high liquidity. Hi, hello sir. Sir, text if you are here. Yeah, text if you are here. Khair, let us continue. We got a equal high liquidity, and we got London Open. So what I should actually see is snapback of this level or a double top, right? Ooh, okay, कोई ना. Yes. Now looking at this, बन रहा क्या? We got aggressive buys. Sorry, buys. Here we got a tap into our AOI, which is the accumulation low. Tap into our AOI. Now we also got a liquidity grab. So got a liquidity grab. टाइम भी ठीक है. And I am currently, I should I wait for London Open? Yeah, I should. 1 o'clock is in 9 minutes from now, so I should probably wait for London Open. Yes, London Open retest exactly. इसका retest आ गया. Now I'll be selling from here with my stops above the order block. ये देखो पक्का करेक्ट जाने वाला है ट्रेड. ओ आई डिडंट गेट इन. थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लेता. नहीं 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 नहीं, थोड़ा सा नीचे ये वो नहीं. आई विल बी एंटरिंग अ लिमिट, सॉरी वो ऑर्डर, मार्केट ऑर्डर. गुड इन. Ah, stop it. Very good. Okay. Hmm. Let's see if we get a snapback again. No snapbacks. Very well. गलती मेरी है. थोड़ा सा और रूम दे देता. यहाँ पर एंट्री बनाए. थोड़ा सा और अगर रूम दे देता, so it would have been a good entry. देखते हैं कैसे जाता था अगर मैं थोड़ा सा रूम दे देता था तो. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट चेजिंग. नो 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 चेजिंग, वैसे जरूरत ही नहीं है मेरे को. गया गया, मिस हो गया. आई डोंट वांट इट. ah unless unless we get a sell again from this area. Yes, we got in again. इसको कहते हैं री एंट्री. नाउ स्टॉप्स के लिए मैं थोड़ी सी गैप दूंगा with my TP and SL set. Let's see वापस क्या होगा. Sir is texting. Bhaiya is texting. Never think of aggressive buying because. एक second. Pause. हाँ. Never think of aggressive buying or selling. Why? Because it can play with your mind at a why. You'll think maybe my zone won't hold. Maybe I should change my plan. If a pullback happened without any data or headline, have conviction. Liquidity. I thought why you can't stop using them. You're keeping. Oh, yeah. ओके, इसके अंदर भी नहीं करते हैं अभी. No more limits even in backtesting sessions. Oh, once more ये हो गया स्टॉप लॉस हिट. खैर जाने दो. हो गया सेल. वी आर डाउन 2%. My point is you're thinking. Which fucks in life? So no more aggressive buying or thinking. Okay. So this accumulation low is of low worth. जाने दो इसको. C12 में. C12 में. Yes sir, this 500 put bullish move. Oh, 800 पे चला गया. Yeah, 60s. Sorry, 11th है. This is 12. नो, वो दिमाग में जाना ही नहीं है. This aggressive buying. वो 70 60 के ऊपर चला गया. What should do you think? Oh no, we are aggressively buying. Supply zone is invalid. Maybe I should buy. Maybe. And it will lead you to miss the mice, if not making you losses. Stop looking at LTF move. If it's just a pull back to your zone. Unless it's happening because of some headline or data. Yes, sir. I will make sure of it. Gems. Do not note aggressive buying or selling unless it is due to some headline or data report. Never use limits. Take market order into kappa key point. If you have fear to enter when the pullback or double top is happening initially, then switch to day trading. Leave manual trading. पता है सर धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. Hmm. Yes. I should not hesitate. नहीं सर. बैक टेस्टिंग अलग होता है फिर फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग अलग है. Okay, new changes here then. No limits. Taking right after. Hmm. Okay, new changes here then. Taking a loss, then setting another limit. Yeah. Uh, Re-entry. Then again, seeing entry from a same zone. Yeah. मतलब री-एंट्री हो सकता ना. So once a demand zone is invalidated, it is invalidated. Yes, ये पॉइंट भी लिख लिया था शायद, but काम ही नहीं करता मैं. Take entry from a same zone, set 60 to 80 pip stop. If it stops here, then just leave it. Okay, only one trade. Fine, देखते हैं फिर. No re-entries. Like, let's see. Okay, let us go to another. Let us wait for this accumulation high. Yep, we are into this accumulation high. Unless it's high or low of a zone, not accumulation. Lows or highs, these are always low probable. Uh, uh, ये तो एच टी एफ का accumulation zone है ना, मे भी काम चलेगा शायद. Hmm. This can play, but if it's take your turns, then it's okay. Once a demand zone is invalidated, I should not trade it more. बस होता है. प्लीज ऐसा ना करो. Yeah, once and for all. Unless it's high or low of a zone, save this message or anywhere you want. Unless it's high, I'll write it down. यहाँ पर if ऐसा नहीं, पूरा लिख लेते हैं. Can summarize. Thank you. I'm writing the points now. Just wait for a few minutes. Thank you, sir. Okay, let me continue till then. Backtest and then tell me the results. जी sure ज़रूर. I'll work my ass off. Let's see if we get a double top over here. Yes. Second tap, double top. Double top, but 15 minutes candle hai. I'll wait for a minute or two. Good. Now I'll wait for NYSE open. NYSE. Double top of the top level. Oh, missed it. Yep. Double top neckline. Sell. But my stop will be all the way up over here, which is around 100 pips. Now I won't take this trade then. Maybe if I'll take the trade, मैं यहाँ पर लगाऊंगा ना stop में तो all the way up to 75 pips. 75 की जगह 80 लगाऊंगा. Fine. 80 is okay, but not 100. Very well. So my entry here was this breakout retest. Something is seriously wrong with me. Yep. बस इससे अच्छा नहीं मिलता मेरे को एंट्री. मैं ढंग से ट्रेड ही नहीं कर सक रहा है. क्या है ये? क्या हुआ? ढंग से ट्रेड क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा? क्या हाथ पकड़ के कराना पड़ता क्या अपने को? इतना बुरा. हो गया गया ये भी हो गया. वो ट्रेड ही नहीं लेना है यहाँ पर. हाँ यहाँ से भी लिया. स्टॉप जाता इसके ऊपर. 65 पिप्स। मैं एक्चुअली 1 मिनट को छोड़ के 5 मिनट्स को पकड़ता हूँ फिर। लाइक लुकिंग एट द 5 मिनट स्ट्रक्चर, व्हाट कैन आई सी? रीटेस्ट यहाँ पर आया, वन मोर रिजेक्शन, डाउन। ओ ये असली में हुआ था। आई डिडंट एग्जिट हियर। नेक्स्ट ऐसा ऊपर जाकर ये अरे यार एग्जैक्टली सेम स्टॉप लॉस दिया मैं। एंड माय नेक्स्ट एंट्री वाज ओवर हियर, समवेयर ओवर हियर 80 के पास। दिस वाज माय एंट्री। देन स्लोली ने एकदम फास्टली जैसा चले जाती ऊपर नीचे। आई रिमेम्बर दिस। सी या माय स्टॉप लॉस बीइंग ओवर हियर। अब लगता नहीं स्टॉप लॉस। टीपी ऑल द वे डाउन नाउ। यहाँ क्या, यहाँ तक भी ले सकते टीपी अब। आई रिमेम्बर दिस ट्रेड। सी ब्रेक ऑफ दिस नाउ। आई रिमेम्बर दिस ट्रेड। क्या फायदा? बैक टेस्टिंग का भी है शायद। हाँ आता हूँ आपला खाओ शुरू करो। आता हूँ। कहाँ गई? खैर जाने दो। So 5 minute structure. This was the accumulation high. Let us look at the 15 minute. आता हूँ थोड़ी देर रुको, आप शुरू करो। This was the first 15 minutes OB. मगर ये will fail obviously. Then on to the 5 minute. I took this trade as well as ये stop loss लगा, फिर दूसरा trade लिया था। ये तो बेकार ही है। मैं तो याद है मेरे को ये। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। या अय्युहल मुज़म्मिल قم الليل إلا قليلا نصفه أو انقص قليلا. Okay, now we are on 6th May. Let's see. 6th में क्या चलेगा? Remove everything. No, 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 no. Don't remove everything. Just remove these things. New day, new analysis, and we are here at Asia Open. 1 hour time frame. Can you spot any sub resistances or the order blocks? This one is the ultimate upper level from where we can see the bearish pressure build up. Point number one. Next, next, next. Do Desi. Yes, this one. This area. But I would not like to look at this area because मेरा दिमाग है levels based on order blocks only. Where do I see another level? There's resistance, there's resistance. Yep, मेरे order block के हिसाब से this is the order block. उधर ही आ रहा था नाटी में आ रहा हूँ. Hmm. Hmm. Is there any place else? No other place. If I look for cells, I'll be looking from this area only. Sorry, 5 minutes. Tap into it and I'll look for cells. Else, nothing. Yep, tap आ गया. Tap as well as a double top. No, not a double top. Just the tap. Just the tap. It's not a snapback. Make bias according to the catalyst going on. Make a second bias if the data or headline comes against you. Open charts, go to 1H, draw zones, not accumulation lows. If the bias and PA is bearish, then accumulation highs. Vice versa with the bias. Leave low probable zones for now. Okay, go for the zones to get retested. Go to M1 when the zone get retested, not 50 pips below the zone, not 30 pips below the zone, only when the zone get retested. For example, zone is around 50 to 70 pips, then at least wait for the zone lows to get retested so you can get better entry. Wait for M1 confirmation, DT at least. Execute when DT happens. Do not use limit, do not hesitate while backtesting. Set SL above rejections. Don't be a stussy for pennies. Hold the trade through minimal drawdown, or if it is as your entry, have conviction. Set TP 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 according to the structure, not according to your expectations or wants. If you get an entry from a better zone, you can hold for longer as it is from better prices. Hold it. If the trade loses, then zoom out at the exact point and plan the next trade. No re-entries. If it plays after taking you out, which can happen, but it will happen fewer times. If you work according to the plan stated above, then just let it go. From your next zones, you can see on H1. not LTF zones, not middle of the zones. If the price action is fast and it breaks your zones without rejecting or just rejecting once, wait for snapback. Do not trade above the zone. Have conviction. If the snapback happens, then enter. If it does not happen, then wait for the next zone. Do not go against your bias just because you're seeing big candles. Thanks a lot. This will become my, what do you say? I don't know what do you say, but this is going to be the playbook. I am going to रट्टा it down. Like most of the चीज़ हाँ आप already अब तक बहुत बार बोले हुए हैं. Backtest it for 2 to 3 months. Surely I'll backtest. बिल्कुल backtest करूँगा. Okay. Once again, let me रट्टा it. Make bias according to the catalyst going on. Make a second bias if the data or headline comes against you. Done. Very good. Point number one. Point number two, open charts. Okay, so we are opening charts after making a bias. Well, good. Go to H1 and draw zones. Not accumulation lows. If the bias and PA are bearish, then accumulation highs. Vice versa, with buys, leave low probable zones for now. Low probable zones, which is accumulation zone in this case. Very good. Wait for the zones to get retested. Hamesha wait for the zone to get retested. Sit on your hands unless the zone is until the zone is retested. Sorry, not unless, until the zone is retested. Very good. Go to M1. Leave re-entries for now. Yes, sir. Backtest 2 to 3 months of data according to it. January to March सब कुछ करूँगा. January to March खैर नको. Correct your basics जी sir. Okay. Sit on your hands until the zone is retested. Go to M1 when the zone get retested. Not 50 pips below the zone, not 30 pips below the zone. Exactly when the zone is retested. For example, if the zone is around 50 to 70 pips, then at least wait for the zone low to get retested. G. Wait for M1 confirmation. DT at least. Execute when DT happens. Do not use limits. Do not hesitate while backtesting. Okay. Okay. यहाँ पर N1 confirmation is double top over here. Hold the trade through minimum drawdown. If you get an entry, hold. If the entry, okay. Let's see. Let's get back to the charts. What is wrong with this? Okay. Now we got a zone retest. I'll be waiting for double top. Double top matlab retesting into this area. Let us wait. Dheere, dheere. No retest yet. Retested. Oh, no retest yet. No retest yet. No retest yet. Retested. This is an entry. Sell. stops above this, and next point is don't be a pussy. So this is 35 pips. 35 plus 20 is 55. Don't be a pussy. Next, do not look for all these buys, just look for this. And next, plan your target. Target will be this this area. मैं करूँगा इससे पहले एग्जिट. गुड. लेट अस प्ले इट. ये तो जाएगी. Retest, retest. Oh, break above. Gone. Very good. Stick to the freaking plan. Is my zone perfect? Let us wait for this zone then. जब से था this zone order block. खैर. Retest. Oh, ये वो दिन है wherein the market just kept on pushing up. Okay, I'll be looking for cells over here. Stop. Oh, मैं एंट्री ले लेता था ना. एक सेकंड है तो एग्जिट भी हो जाता था वैसे ही. खैर, मैं एंट्री ले लिया समझेंगे. विथ माई स्टॉप्स. ये कितना पिप थे? 330. 538 होता ना, मतलब 538. So I would not have been stopped out. Now my TP would have been this area. Yeah, 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2.5. Let's see. या ये दिन ही सुपर बुलिश था. आ रहा हूँ 5 मिनट. खैर, I'll be back after dinner in case अगर आप रहोगे. Followers, I am giving you my teacher's number, my sensei's number. Go and pester him. जाओ.